Welcome, Rave, to RP Visual Solutions booth C2170. What I have behind me here is actually a cut-off corner of the Wynn Hotel, which is a direct view LED race and sports book that's been getting a lot of press. It's a 2.6 millimeter. And what you see behind me here, this direct view LED, this is what we call a fixed mount. Precision engineered to take the building out of it. You can see this baseline template here along the bottom. To feature a couple of things, the template allows you to hold very precise radiuses. We have a tilt pivot skew yaw for the uprights so that you can get plumb level square. On the very bottom here you see a hat, and that hat here allows you to precisely align the bottom row ledger. And if you pan up to here, you actually see halfway up the wall here doing a cutaway. This allows us to get the bottom row level. And in the event of a service need, you would actually take this module off the front. So this has front service capabilities, but a lot of technologies today do not have front service. So the way we service is we do what's called an X-arm. So here you can take the display technology and pull it away from the structure and re-register it very precisely back in. This is called an X-arm for front service. It allows you to get behind it. One step up from doing an X-arm would be to make this actually automated. So what we have here is a 1 millimeter LED that does not have front service capability. So for what we're doing right now is we have an actuator pushing it out away from the wall, and when it gets out to a far enough space, you then can get behind the wall and service the electronics and then re-register it back into place. When we do actuators and do X-arm motion, we always include a programmable logic controller. It's very precise. When you see this 1 millimeter LED, the aperture, the seam between the actual cabinets is, if this is a 1 millimeter pixel pitch, this is 0.1 millimeter seam. So very robust, very stout, very precision, very smooth moving is what's required in the event that you want to move it forward. A third way that you can service a display technology is what we refer to as our swing arm mount. This is typically deployed for flat panel technologies. We are the mount of choice for Microsoft. So all of the Microsoft stores that you see in North America, where the average store is between 80 and 120 panels, we have it so that we provide a back frame and this very precise 6-axis mount. We're a big believer in using a swing arm because every time you open and close it, it re-registers to 1 millimeter. So the three ways again for service you can look at is an X-arm, front service access, or a swing arm mount. When you have the need for service and doing creative visual structures, please check us out at www.rpvisuals.com and come by the booth C2170. Thank you, Ray, very much.